Hello everyone. Today I have a comforting recipe for you. We're going to make a polenta bowl. Now polenta, if you don't know, is just ground cornmeal. It's very similar to grits, except that polenta uses yellow corn, where grits is usually white corn. So I'm going to use instant polenta. As you can see on the package, it says that it's ready in 3 minutes. You can also buy polenta that comes in a tube. It's in solid form and you can cut it into slices and you can grill it, or you can bake it in the oven, or you can buy the regular non-instant polenta, but that takes about 45 minutes to make. So we're going to do something really quick today. We're going to roast some vegetables, saute some vegetables, and put it all together in a nice bowl. Now, if you're into meal prepping, you can make these vegetables earlier in the week, and when you're ready to make your polenta bowl, you can just pull out your 3-minute polenta, grab your vegetables from the refrigerator, and you have a really easy meal. So let me show you how we're going to make it. These are the vegetables we're going to be using. We're going to roast some beets in the oven, but we're also going to use their beautiful greens. We're going to saute the greens with these zucchini strips and these tomatoes, and we're going to steam cook the broccoli. I have the oven set at 385. We've arranged the beets on some parchment. I hit it with some cooking spray. I sprayed them with some cooking spray on top as well. Be careful when you're dealing with beets. As you can see, they get all over. They stain anything that they touch. These are going to go into a 385-degree oven, probably for about 20 minutes. I've stirred some fontina cheese into the polenta. We added all of the vegetables. We're going to add an over easy egg on top so we can break the yolk and let it run all down the dish, and it's ready to eat. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. As you can see, if you do a little meal prep earlier in the week, you can get a comforting meal on the table in no time. So I hope you try it for yourself. Join me next time. I will see you then. Bye.